This new twin-tower high-rise blends tradition with contemporary architecture. Inside, an outstandingly creative and captivating terrazzo design was crafted with thousands of interconnected semicircles, each formed with a terrazzo micro-blend instead of traditional divider strips. The complex pattern demanded flawless precision, achieved using a custom metal stencil to produce each perfectly shaped arch. The complexity lay in maintaining accuracy throughout the repetitive pattern. Any irregularities would result in complicated repairs. This design was integrated into public circulation corridors and spa areas over 3 floors alongside irregular shapes and non-geometrically straight borders, introducing unique impediments that required innovative solutions and stellar craftsmanship. Success in realizing the design with micro terrazzo forms was a point of pride for all project stakeholders. The sleek 20-foot-long reception desks were meticulously crafted with precast terrazzo components and poured-in-place treatments to conceal the joints and achieve a seamless finish. The contractor on this superb project at Fairmont Doha in Doha, Qatar, the recipient of a Judge's Choice International Honor Award, is the Qatar Construction Technique Company of Doha, Qatar.